Hi guys, it's me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. I already did the months of November. Sorry, I was on set, so couldn't uh, couldn't stream. That's a break on cues. Um, yeah, as it should have been. Spy goes down. There is a volume build up, so I wouldn't be excited about this level. However, point 0.5 is still a possibility. And look, yeah, it continues its rally like crazy, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months rally, plus like at least half a month here. Crazy. Uh, this was a point 0.5. Um, Wait, where am I stuck on? Oh yeah, here. Put it on daily. Yeah. Dow Jones. It's interesting. There was a trade here, which didn't happen. Which didn't happen on perpetual futures. Yeah, I don't believe in this situation. Focus this. I don't believe in this situation at all. And it broke down the level, so it's just now a regular counter trend balance. It's still alright for technically. Oops. Oh, and we don't do perforated levels because it's counter trend. Yeah, RTS is a mess. RTS is a mess. Intel approaching the supporting bar level. Two trades are on NRG. Both are good, I think. Both are good, I think. Fjord unvolumed spring, so wouldn't be excited about it anyways. One bar reversal test, then it goes up. Yeah. Probably will make it 2.5 on monthly. We yet to see that happening. We yet to see that happen. Positive magnet. Didn't take this trade, by the way. There's another low. Oh, yeah. It's right here. Right here. This was a good trade. It's a weekend though. Weekend trade, but yeah, that was a good trade. That would need a test. And after the test, that would need a test because there's a bigger volume in our way. And after the test is good. Too many short trades on magnet, but it goes down. It will, if it will allow on Monday, maybe I'd sell. Yeah, this is the sign of strength. This is the sign of strength. That wasn't even a level. This was a level. Here I decided to wait for a test. Why did I though? Yeah, because we have a bigger volume. Yeah, magnet is a good candidate. Uh, to sell. I opened this trade. It's a strong approach. Mm, I think it's a good place. They're good on monthly now with 2 bar up thrust. It can go for a test though, but it looks like it's testing right now in 0.5. So why am I having this stuck? It's now good in continuation of the trend. But neither of this makes any sense. Only if this was the case. Since we're looking long now. Yeah. Only if this is the case. I really like what's going on in Magnet for short. Maybe I should set up a trade. Um, it's low, but it doesn't show any signs of reversal. It's far below zero point 0.5. It looks like it goes to meet the it looks like it goes to meet the annual level. Hmm. Yeah, it looks like it's going to meet. Just sell it. Yeah, I think it's sensible to sell everything right now and then buy back half of the position here and half of the position there. Yeah, resistance, resistance, resistance. I would buy from here. Yeah, next. It 0.5. Now bounced. Rosa. It's going down. It was all right up to 0.5. It's still all right up to 0.5. Tests, and when it goes up, breaks above 1 bar rule, then goes down, down 1 bar reversal. Yeah, it spins and curls. So I wouldn't trust it. I wouldn't trust it. It's 0.5 and everything is cool, and it's 0.5 here as well. But also like counter trend, it's already changed direction, so don't think it's a good idea. Boom, it went down. We are below the sign of strength now, the supporting bar, and the fact that supporting bar is above us doesn't mean we cannot trade from 0.5, like something quick, not going back into this volume zone. So that's not a zone where price can bounce like a ping pong. Should be avoided. It's for the daily watch regardless. This is our daily watches. Yeah, meta goes down. This volume in 0.5 doesn't matter anymore. It goes down. Oh. Beautifully bounced up this volume and went down. So now our daily contradicts monthly, so that is how we look at it now. This thing can go higher? No. I change direction on inferior time frame. Oh. Ion Q doesn't look good. Not to me. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high. Da, 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 da. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Guilt. We already made some money on guilt. Oh, I did. And would be glad to do some more. It's already reached its 0.5 potential. Yep. It's already corrected to 0.5. Oy, oy, oy. It's dividend non-paying stocks that I was onboarding recently. Look how fresh Uber is. Mm. So we can now say that this impulse is moving forward, upward. So now it's counter trend resistance. Oh, now the thing changes a little bit. I'll show you how. Since it's a transition extremum, we don't need a. This upthrust is on volume though, so not much face in it. Regardless, we don't need a closed we didn't need a closed manipulation signal on monthly to trade on daily. And also we don't need to limit ourselves by 0.5. But still very cautious. This is how daily is developing. Very nervous and jerky and volatile. Not in a good way. Volatility is good for as long as it gives us a good like ornament, the movement of the price. Like, damn, it's hard to tell what was going on here. And down, down, probably up, up, down, 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 down. See, I see it changes direction all the time. It's not comfortable for as far as our Roman strategy is concerned. There's a balance. Yeah, so I think this was a balance like this. Oh, and then a break. Okay, perfect. So then a break, and yeah, now we have this, and doesn't get us anywhere. So we would be good to short from here, but most likely not. This is AQ, AIQ, even bigger volume. We made some money on Aki. It's good in continuation of the trend. Right now, it's good in counter trend up to 0.5. Wow. Unvolumed T1. And then but that's far beyond our 0.5. That's why we cannot trade it. Um, boom. That's our limit. That's our limit. Mm. Oh my god. So one bar rule. And we're looking for short anyway, not for long. So we're below the volume. So 0.5 only for something sweet and nice before this volume zone. It's a break. It changes direction and gotta be careful because even though we don't need to limit ourselves by 1 second by 0.5 by 50% correction, but if it will show signs of reversal such as change of direction, good sign. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and yeah, we need this 0.5 here now. In the change direction. So this is our reality now. this stock going down. Mm-hmm. But now it goes down. It reversed. Mm-hmm. Think I need a break. That's the shell. See, like once again, my instead of buying a put, I did like a trade here and got it stopped. Very small position wise, but regardless, something I didn't like at all. Something I didn't like at all. Mm, this thing is falling. It's possibly this. Google. I need to figure out why, what for do I have two Googles? Uh, Google Class A versus B. The main difference is that Class A shares have one vote per share, while Class C shares have no voting rights, but share classes are publicly traded and have the same economic rights, meaning they receive the same earnings and dividends. Class A for investors who want to see. They're absolutely identical. They're absolutely identical. I see slight different in volumes. Okay, just for funsies, let's have both. Just for funsies. Well, last climb is here, so technically. Mm, mhm. 16.5. To take it just like this. I think it's irresponsible. Coincidence of levels in counter trend. No, I don't think so. Mm, mm, mm. Resistance, resistance. And now we want to trade long. I don't think so. Mm, mm, mm. It's getting there. It's in the wrong place on monthly, and volume is not good on monthly, so something super duper short, quick. Again, such a volume. Dun, dun, Don't like him. I don't like this place. That's a line from last long voyage home that I've been doing recently with O'Neill Studio. Okay,